How is typhoid fever transmitted? You can get typhoid fever if you eat food and drink beverages that have been handled by a person who is shedding the Salmonella typhoid or if sewage contaminated with the bacterial gets into the water. Use to drink or wash. Yung symptoms ng typhoid fever, when a person becomes infected with the bacteria that cause typhoid fever, the bacteria begin to multiply and spread into bloodstream. After 3 days, symptoms can occur. This period begins between becoming infected and the start of symptoms called incubation period. Yun, yung incubation period niya is 3 to 60 days. Pwede na mag-occur yung typhoid fever niya. Tapos, ang common, 3 to 60 days. Tapos, yung common symptoms niya, fever as high as 103 degree to 104 degree Fahrenheit. Tapos, stomach pain, headache, weakness, tapos, bloody nose, loss of appetite, constipation, decreased heart rate, rush of blood, tapos, rose-colored spots. Tapos, yung yung treatment ng typhoid fever is, antibiotic lang, amoxicillin, tapos, yung chloramphenicol. Tapos, yung other treatment naman niya, bed rest na po, replacement of fluids and electrolytes. What are typhoid fever?